What a sweet strawberry! I'll take one for myself while no one sees.
Stop.
Oh,
I need
you're
to
so
make strawberry
sneaky!
jam.
I need the strawberry to make a Chupa Chups. First, let's fill the bowl with water. And wash our strawberry. Now it is clean enough to eat. We need to cut it into small pieces. We're going to prepare some jam. Now let's put it in a bowl. It's time to add sugar. Mix it well. Moving on to the stove. We'll have to wait a little until the sugar dissolves. And we'll help it with the spoon. We got some thick jam for our Chupa Chups. Let's move on. We'll need gelatin and some sugar. It needs to be mixed and then putting it on a stove. Some fresh milk and our mixture. Mix it well. In addition to strawberries, you can use other flavors. Oh, the fridge is out of jams. It's time to go to the store. I'll buy blueberry, orange, and kiwi jams. To prepare a mixture for Chupa Chups, you need to add gelatin base to each jam. Excellent. Mix it well. Mixtures of all the colors of the rainbow are ready. Now it's time to fill the molds. Let the Chupa Chups be in the shape of hearts. It's fun and original. So, everything is filled. Now, we'll wait for 30 minutes.
Yummy lollipop, right?
They were in the freezer and ta-da! How do you like the result? Time to try them.
Delicious.
Oh, it's so delicious, guys! I love it! The next recipe is miniature watermelon jelly. It's good that I have a fragrant piece left. It also needs to be cut into small pieces. We're going to make an appetizing jam. Working with a watermelon is much easier and faster. We only need the juice and the pulp can be removed. There we go. Mash it up with a spoon. We will boil the juice in a saucepan. Add some sugar and some starch. Wow, the jam has already thickened, which means it is ready. In the second bowl, we will mix whipping cream and, of course, some sugar. Obviously, we will not forget about the jam. Mix it well, and we've got a great mixture of watermelon color. Of all colors of the watermelon, actually. It is time to fill the molds. First comes the red jam. Then white. And green, just like a watermelon has. We'll wait for 30 minutes again while it's freezing, and bravo! I really love the way it turned out. Let's put some sesame seeds. Yeah, it definitely looks like a watermelon now. Oh, what a beauty! I'm so thrilled, guys. We can cut it and finally taste it. Wow, that is so cool! I recommend everyone to make this jelly at home. It's amazing. I have some buns, apples too.
Yes.
I'll take a banana and make a delicious cocktail. I'll start with strawberry. This is my favorite one. And by the way, it grows in my garden. We can cook anything from it, and it'll turn out delicious. I'm going to need strawberry jam right now. I'm gonna add some sugar to our strawberries and mix it well. Putting it on a stove, and don't forget to mix. Great! It is ready. Now it's banana's turn. Strawberry and banana are the perfect combination that everyone will like. First, we need to peel the banana, just like that. Half of the banana will be enough. I'm gonna cut it into small pieces again. It's very convenient to use a blender for a banana. Let's put all the pieces in there. Let's add some fresh milk, some yogurt, and some honey. Closing the lid and turning it on. Hooray! It turned out amazing. I'll put some strawberry jam in our glass. And I will smear it all over. Fill it with banana cocktail. Decorate it with strawberries and mint. And of course, a tiny straw. It looks so awesome! Strawberry cookies with banana cocktail. That's literally amazing for an afternoon snack. Oh, so good! Bon appetit and good mood to everyone. And I'll enjoy it. Thank you, friends! If you liked the recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's cook together!